Saturday, October 12, 2024. Focus. There is neither Jew nor Greek. There is neither slave nor free. There is no male and female. For you are all one in Christ Jesus. There was a time when I automatically judged everyone by their surname, caste, and place of origin. But then the Lord enlightened me to the truth of today's focus. I also realized that to be a disciple of Jesus requires us to view the world with humility-thin glasses. St. Paul gives us a convincing reason why our Christian approach needs to be different from that of the world. We are sons of God through faith. So, if we are sons and daughters of God, we are all siblings and members of one family. No longer can we think of ourselves as Goans or non-Goans, high class or low class, rich or poor, because our faith is in Jesus unites us. Neither can we allow our social and cultural difference to affect the way we relate to one another. No one has the right to treat a fellow Christian or another human being with condescension or contempt. Oneness, however, does not mean uniformity. We need to respect and appreciate one another's views, habits, and cultures. Jesus' heartfelt prayer for unity among his followers shows how intensely he desired us to remain together, irrespective of perceived differences. Fruit. I shall go out of my way to befriend a person who is not of my community.